Right, I keep seeing a lot of this on Instagram, YouTube. So I thought what I'll do, we'll see if it's real. Took clear plastic padlock, removed all the pins, no pins in it, in order to get as much of this match head powder as I can get into it. There's a match head powder, just need to grind it up to fine powder, and when we've done that, I'll be back. Right then, completely full of match head powder, right to the top, can and fuse in it. You can see that? All the way through, everywhere. Every single void is full. So, does it work? So, as I thought, bullshit. Okay, lock's all burnt and scorched. But does it still open? Let's have a look. Yes, it does. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. See you soon.